sure this is recording, y'all. Okay. All right. We are on and going, babies. Let me see. Okay, perfect. All right, Virgo, Sun, Moon, and Venus. This is your official full moon, that flower moon reading. It's a love reading, so y'all know I'm all mushy gushy about love. Y'all know I resonate with Virgos, so let's see what's going on with y'all, okay? First card is you. Second card is the person you're connected to, whether you know them or not. And then the outcome, okay? So let's see what's going on in love for Virgos. Source, can I have a card for Virgo? Full moon love reading. What's the message that you have for Virgo, Source Creator? Oh, perfect. Forgiving and learning. That came out for Scorpio, I think. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moment. So you need to let go of some past heartache, maybe, to move into love, Virgo. And, their person. Oh, shoot. Because someone's waiting for you to decide what you want. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you. So they are watching you, Virgo. Someone, or maybe someone you're in a relationship with, and they, it might be rocky for some of you. But the person you're connected to is like, for some of you, they're waiting for you to let go and be free, even if it's not physically, spiritually, emotionally, because they want you, Virgo. Okay? And then for some of you, you're in a relationship and your partner is watching you, and they want to, they feel a disconnect. They feel something. Maybe you're not 100% with them. You know what I mean? Like, they can feel the elephant in the room, that you are being, you're stuck in something, in a heartache from someone else. You're not fully committed to them, is what they feel like. But they hear, and they're like, I'm here, and they may say something to you. They may ask you about it really soon. They might rush in and be like, look, I'm right here. Love me. Okay? What is the outcome? What is the outcome? Okay. Oh, bliss. Bliss together. So, Virgo, if you release and heal from whatever is hurting you, it could be heartache from family, a friend. You could have just taken an L in your life from a loved one, passing into, the ethers, leaving this plane. Whatever it is, if your love is there and they've decided they want you, now they're waiting on you to decide what you want. They're being patient. They understand, I guess, and I don't know why, but they have an understanding. Something about your connection, for some of you, they understand this grieving. For others of you, you have been manifesting something so different from what you're used to. And that's what you've been releasing, because you believe that something greater is out there for you. And it's sitting right here at the cusp. It is right here, coming in very quickly. And you two are going to enjoy bliss together. That is the outcome. Source, are there any more messages from this deck regarding Virgo's spread? Virgo's full moon. Any more messages from this deck for Virgo? Okay. Oh, yeah. Makes sense. This situation is calling for you to have faith, Virgo. Anything else for Virgo from this deck? Anything else from Virgo? A couple more. Okay, Virgo. For those of you who are in a relationship, you need to recapture the romance and allow your inner youth to come through and shine, okay? Your love life, children or the want of children, or maybe even the loss of a child. Wow. Something regarding children could be a block for you, Virgo. Wanting children. We're going to get to the nitty-gritty of that, okay? Source, can I get some clarification? Do you have any more messages for the okay. Oh. This person is very attracted to you, Virgo. That's why they're waiting. And for some, that's why they're coming in like really quickly. The action is about to happen. And they just want to bask in Virgo. Virgos are very passionate though. So I could see that. And very entertaining and like the hero, whether it's a male or a female, they take on everybody, you know. They hold all the weight. So I could see that. What flipped? They want to express their love to you. They want to express that they want to be the one. Let's get some clarification, okay? Let's clarify with the Rider-Waite, Virgo. Because there's a couple of stories in the backdrop. A couple things going on here with different groups of people. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. All right. Source creator, can I get clarification for Virgo spread? What messages do you have for Virgo regarding this spread? Okay. So it makes sense. You're not really being honest with yourself about the past. You're not able to let it go. And you're getting away from a bad energy and you're just afraid of repeating it. You know, like you're stuck in a fear of someone hurting you again. And it's affecting, for some of you, your current relationship. And this person is like, no, I'm here. I'm not that person. I understand. Like they are very, very attracted to you. They express their love and you don't trust it. But look here, you're being called to trust. Okay? Okay, for some of you, you're very driven. You have been working towards this new love. This love for my singles. Some people are single and they are ready. Charging forward. Determined. So is any more messages for Virgo spread regarding this full moon energy and love? Any more okay. King of Swords in reverse. So, you're not in communication with this person, my single people. Not that you don't know them, but you and this person are not talking or haven't met or haven't seen each other in a while or have never met for some of you. But there is like, that's why the very soon card, they're coming in quickly. This meeting is about to happen quickly, either by source or they know you and they're going, source is bringing them in, or they are going to just pop up. You're going to meet them and it's going to be instant. Because look here, see, I said source. Source is going to bring this person into your life. And you have the Ten of Pentacles. That was the Hierophant. You have the Ten of Pentacles. This is security, and you two are going to be together for a long, long time. Like this isn't a lesson. This is a love. Okay? This isn't a lesson. This is a love. That's what I hear. Can you give us some information, source, on the person that Virgo is attracted to? Or that is attracted to Virgo? Any more clarification for this full moon love read regarding the person that is out here that you're bringing into our Virgo? Okay. They don't have any blockages. They are not unclear. They are very clear. When they meet you and see you, or when you guys open up the line of communication, they are going to be ready. That was Four of Pentacles in reverse. And again, to the Eight of Cups in reverse. They're not going to shy away from you. They are beautiful. What do we have? They may be a little younger, or you may be younger than them. Someone might be younger in this dynamic, but the Page of Pentacles is bringing news in, so they are coming. The trumpet has sounded. More clarification. That's the news. They're coming in, okay? And they're going to be financially secure. All right, source. Any more messages? Oops. No? Okay. Source, any more messages about the outcome for Virgo and this love connection, and this love story? Ah, shucks. I was trying to avoid that, y'all. Okay. Yay. We have the Three of Cups, which is a celebration. It could mean someone pregnant too. So you might meet and get pregnant, or our couples, y'all may have a baby on the way. That could be the children card. Someone might be pregnant and don't even know it, and they worried about having children. But yeah, or some type of engagement or wedding. If the engagement's going on, somebody's about to have their wedding. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Might have a little financial issue. And it could just be because of the situation in the economy right now. So that's what that could mean. Can't have romance without finance. Ah, yay, to the Two of Pentacles. Keep an eye on your money, but it's going to balance out. Focus on love, okay? Focus on love and being healthy and happy and playful. Remember, you need to focus on being playful and trusting, because this is a good experience, y'all. Yes, to the Nine of Cups. You got your Ten of Pentacles. You got your Nine of Cups. Very positive, card, it means that this relationship is a dream come true. So a dream becoming reality. So you've dreamt about this person, this type of connection, and it's coming in for you, Virgo. So don't be pining in the past and turning this person off because you're worried about exes and everything. Get focused on the new because something amazing is coming in for some of you. Yeah. I think that's your reading. Let me see. I'm going to go ahead and get a Whispers of Love card for you. All right. Let's see. Okay. This deck is so ginormous. First of all. Okay. So, here we go. Source, can I get a Whispers of Love card for Virgo, Sun, Moon, and Venus rising? My fingers are flicking them off because they're so huge. Let me try it like this, y'all. Here we go. Oh. Jabba style. Okay, I'm not going to do it. I am not going to do it. Let's get it. Oh my gosh. My hands are tired. That's what it is. So I try the long way. That never works. Like I try it this way. Look, y'all. I be trying it like this. That doesn't work. So then I go back to this. We're going to try it till we get one. Okay. That was a flip. Yay. Yay. I wish I could shave these down, but that would be so disrespectful. See? Embrace your emotions. Let's see here. Feelings and emotions are a part of who you are. Allow yourself to feel what's going on for you. Your feelings can alert you to the truth of a situation. Take positive steps to determine why you feel the way you do. Emotions come under 4 categories: happiness, sadness, anger, and fear. Once you figure out what is going on for you, you can take power away from an emotion. Experiencing emotion you are uncomfortable expressing can be a big challenge. Journaling is a way to process and clarify difficult emotions. Writing about your emotions will help you organize your thoughts and work through your feelings. You're in a period of growth and learning how to better understand yourself. All right, so you need to forgive and learn, which is okay, but you have someone coming in for some of you that is dream fulfillment. And for some of you, your person is standing watching, trying to be very supportive because they are so like attracted to you, Virgo. They're like, that's my Virgo. Like, Virgo's the shit. So I just want you to be very aware of that. Happy full flower moon, everyone. Enjoy this energy. Good night. Check out my Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube in the bio. Just click the little triangle, a drop down will open, and all the information you need will be right there.